Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and I have happy mail from my mom. So if you are new here, then I am a crocheter. I own an Etsy shop, a in-home daycare. I have 2 kids at home, one's 3.5 months, as well as I have a 6-year-old that I homeschool. My mother helps me out with my Etsy shop every now and again, and we seem to have babies in our family being born left and right. So she sent me a bunch of, it's what I call a baby bundle. If you're not new here, then welcome back, and I know you're excited to see what my mom sent me because it's never the same. So, and it's always really cool to see. So in my mom's baby bundles, she usually does a blanket, a jacket, booties, a hat, and a rug so far. So let's see what she has in this one just yet. Excuse me, I'm still getting over a cold, so you might hear me cough every now and again. I'm trying not to, and I'll try to edit out as much as I can. But the first thing is this giant butterfly rug. It's a pattern by Ira Rot. We like Ira Rot's patterns. So you got your little feelers here, the head, the wings. I'll go ahead and put a picture up here of it laying on the floor so you can see it a little bit better. But she is huge and she is fluffy. She used a velvet yarn along with a worsted weight yarn and for the body, and then for the wings she loves homespun, Lion Brand homespun yarn. So, and I'm not sure what colorway that is, but it's very, very complimentary to the light pink body. We also have a pacifier holder. It's right there, clips on, then has this nice little daisy chain with a loop at the end. So that's cute and very useful. Let's see. This cute blanket. I don't know what stitch this is, but I'll see if I can ask her, but it's nice, just plain pink, and then she did kind of a little tie around the edges, and these cute little butterflies here in the corner. So just 3 of them. It's nice and cozy. So this is for my second cousin. She's having a baby girl, obviously. So let's see. We have the little jacket here with 3 little butterflies made out of the same. This feels like Carol's Simply Soft in a light pink. And then she made this cute little pillow. I don't know where she got these patterns from. Sorry about that. And she stuffed it with bags, so it kind of rattles a little bit. And it's pretty tough, but a very cute little pillow. Let's see. And we got some little butterfly booties. There's a butterfly on the outside of the boots. Now, these probably won't fit the baby until about 6 months to maybe a year if it's a little girl and she's got small feet. But that's okay, because a year from now it'll be winter again. And then we have a little bonnet here. But it's just a little lacy bonnet. It has little butterflies on the side and tie around. So, very cute. And it looks like she did a couple extra butterflies. Oh, she was going to put more on the blanket, but then my little sister talked her out of it. So we do have just a couple little extra butterflies. I might do something with these. I'm not sure yet. Oh, and then going with the theme, we've got a hooded towel that she did not make. So, but yeah, so that's the butterflies. Little happy mail that she sent for my second cousin's little girl. So I think right now she is getting ready to do another farmyard one. Is she doing another farmyard one? No, she's doing... What is she doing? I'm not sure. But I did tell you guys that she did a farm one a while back. I sent it out, and they sent us some pictures of the baby boy on the farmyard stuff. The jacket's a little bit big. It does swallow him. I'll put up some pictures here. But he'll be able to use it for the next year or so. It's hard to gauge how big it's going to be until you're finished with it, and then you're kind of either send it or make another one and risk that it's the same size. So I hope you like this Happy Mail haul from my mom, and I hope y'all are doing great, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.